So in this session, we will look into map function of data view. Map function is nothing but a function which could be operated for each element in an array. So let me create a simple array first. It is an array of number 1, 2, 3, 10. Okay. So the idea is we want to pick each element. That is, first we will pick 1, which is the first element in the array. Then we will do some operation. Then we will pick 2, 3, then 10. So that is the basic idea behind map. So how we will write payload space map. There are two things that map function will take. So one is item and one is index. So if you press on the tab key, it will automatically give the format. So here, whatever we want to write. So I would like to create one object for each element in the array. So I'll give curly braces. As soon as I have given the curly braces for each element in the array, one object is getting created, right? So if I add one more element, say 17, it has created one more object. So first key value pair in the object, I'll keep the number itself. For that, what I can do, I can give some key item, then I'll give item. So this will be the one which will be storing the element. So for the first time, it will be storing 1, then 2. Likewise, this is the variable which will be storing the uh, element. This is the index of the element. Index is nothing but the position. So for this case, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, likewise, right? So second thing, I'll do some operation on the number. So say into 10. So what I'll do, item, whatever operation I want to do. So I'll try to multiply it by 10, right? So I'll give item into 10. So the second is also formed, right? For each element, it is multiplied by 10. So first case, it is 10, 20, 30, then 100 and 170. So let me show what the index is. So let me give the key as index, then simply write index. Okay, so here we can see the index is incrementing, right? So for total we have 5 elements, so it goes till 4. What could be the use of index? Let me tell with an example. Say for this object, I want to get the next element. So I know for this object the element is 1. So I want to understand which is the next element. So it can be done using the index, right? So let me show you how. The I'll give the name as the value after, then I'll give payload, right? So I want to give get the next one, right? Index plus 1, right? So here we can see we have taken the payload and we are just picking the next element, right? For 1 it is 2, 2 it is 3, 3 it is 10 because the next element is 10, 10 it is 17, and 17 it is null because there are no next element after that. Okay, so we will go to some in-depth map function in the next session. So that's it.